In this tutorial, I'm going to provide you with the top questions you need to ask before you start your first membership site. Creating a membership site isn't for the faint of heart. While there are dozens of benefits, you have to look at your ability to follow things through. Too many people have half-finished sites and aren't able to get around to finishing them and releasing them. If you're willing to put in the effort, here are some essential questions that you need to ask before you get started. Who is your target market? This is the most critical question that you need to ask before starting your first membership site. If there is no market for your product, then there is no point in wasting your time creating a website. It's important to keep in mind that your target market doesn't have to be huge. If you can create a super niche site that involves a specific problem, you'll have a greater chance at success. Does the site exist already? It doesn't matter if the answer is yes or no. What matters is that you are aware of the answer. If there are other sites like yours, then it means there is probably a market for the information. To make sure that you get ahead of the competition, you need to find a unique spin that you can utilize to appeal to members of the other sites. If a similar site doesn't already exist, then you'll have to spend more time determining your target market. How much time do you have? Creating a membership site will take a lot more than offering a simple ebook. Many aspects go into the development of the site, as well as the management of the back end. You need to have at least 10 hours a week to devote to your site if you want to be successful. Will you charge a one-time fee or recurring payment? This question drives the entire content creation process. If you decide to charge a recurring fee, then you have to continue to provide new, relevant content on a regular basis. If you charge a one-time fee, you can charge more, but you will have to have a well-defined program. There are plenty of other things that you will need to consider before starting your membership site, but these are some of the most important questions to consider. If you have a robust response to each of these questions, you'll be well on your way to building a successful membership site.